Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza. Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza. Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza. Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza. Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Standing Order 151 to assist the committee in its inquiry into the circumstances surrounding the aircraft crash of 10th June 2024. I will now invite members of the committee and the Secretariat to introduce themselves, starting with the members on my right-hand side.
Chair, good afternoon. My name is Beatrice Mwari, and I'm Member of Parliament for Kasungu North. Thank you, Chair.
Good afternoon, Chair. I am George Jefferson Kazipatike, Member of Parliament for Doa Kasangadzi constituency, and I'm also a member of this committee.
Thank you, Chair. I'm Ishmael Nku.
Constituency. Thank you.
My name is Joseph Manzi. I am the Deputy Clerk of Parliament, responsible for procedural service, and I am leading a team of the Secretariat that is supporting the ad hoc committee on this inquiry. Thank you, Chairperson. The rest would also introduce themselves.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson. Tile Likoma, Parliament Secretariat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Chair. My name is Patrice Nkono. I'm a consultant with the Secretariat.
Honorable Chairperson, my name is Charles Makarani, Parliament Secretariat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson. My name is Sipiwe Komwa, Parliament Secretariat.
Good afternoon, Chairperson. My name is Alfred Mangani, Parliament Secretariat.
And I'm Walter Nyamelando Manda, Member of Parliament in Sanje Southwest and Chairman of the Ad Hoc Committee. Brigadier Mtende, just to find out from you what language you're comfortable to converse with.
Both English and Chichewa.
Thank you. Brigadier General Mtende, you're appearing before us as an expert witness. You are here to testify based on your professional experience as a former pilot of the Dornier aircraft on matters relating to the conduct and operation of VIP and VVIP military flights. The committee is particularly interested in your expert assessment of flight planning, operational decision-making, operational risk assessment, weather-related decision-making, diversion procedures, and the authority and discretion of the pilot in command, where safety considerations may conflict with operational or mission requirements. The committee may also seek your views on any other operational, technical, or professional matters within your knowledge and experience that may assist in establishing the circumstances surrounding the flight and the subsequent crash. Before you begin your testimony, I wish to make a few observations. You will introduce yourself and state the position, appointments, and relevant flying experience. Provide truthful, complete, and accurate evidence to the committee. Restrict your testimony as far as possible to facts within your personal knowledge and matters falling within your professional expertise. Where you're providing an expert or professional opinion, kindly clearly distinguish that opinion from facts that you personally observed or experienced. Where you are referring to information obtained from other pilots, military personnel, aviation authorities, or other sources, kindly indicate the source of that information. Where you cannot recall a matter, please indicate rather than speculate. Where appropriate, please explain the normal procedures, practices, and professional standards applicable to the operation of Dornier aircraft, VVIP military flights. If you identify circumstances in which a pilot in command would ordinarily be expected to continue, divert, delay, or discontinue a flight, kindly explain the relevant considerations and decision-making thresholds. Please identify any factors relating to weather, aircraft performance, route, destination, airport conditions, fuel, communications, navigation, or operational requirements that in your professional experience may affect the safety of a flight. Should you wish to refer to any flight manuals, operational procedures, weather information, flight records, reports, or other documents, please identify them for the committee. If any information is classified or subject to confidential restrictions, kindly advise the committee so that appropriate procedural guidance may be considered. The committee requests that you assist it to the fullest extent permitted by law and provide your professional assessment candidly and objectively. In particular, the committee would appreciate your assistance in distinguishing between normal aviation practice and circumstances that may have required a different operational decision on 10th June 2024. I know I've said a lot, but you must have had the gist of what we want from you. Let me invite the Secretariat to administer an oath before you make your presentation.
Thank you, Chair. I, Juvenile Mtende, PhD, do solemnly swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Brigadier General Mtende, we are live on Parliament TV and various media houses. And as you make your presentation, know that the audience is not just restricted to this room. Your audience is the entire nation and the public at large. You are free to respond to the summons that were served to you. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Chair and the committee. I am happy to be here. I hope I will shed some few insights into, hopefully, what happened. I have my presentation. I will read it out to you, Chair, and the committee. And hopefully later at the end of my presentation, I'll be able to answer questions. I want to inform you, Chair, and the committee, that I am not only the former Donia Pilot in Command, I was one of the first in the unit. Just take note of that. So, here is my Chikangawa plane crash inquiry report on 26 August 2026 by Brigadier General Mtende, PhD, retired, instructor pilot. I am a retired Brigadier General Juvenile Mtende, PhD. I am a pilot with commercial pilot license, FAA, standing for Federal Aviation Administration, which is the equivalent of DSA, the Department of Civil Aviation here, but this one is of the United States. I have attached to my commercial pilot license various ratings, which I have mentioned here. One is IFR, standing for Instrument Flight Rules rating. I have ground and flight instructor instrument rating in a twin engine aircraft with a total of 4,000 hours. My training was done at Lufthansa Pilot Training School in Bremen, Germany, where I did my ground school in 1975. I'm a holder of a German pilot license number 166 HB. I went for Lufthansa Pilot Training School in Goodyear, Arizona, USA. Where I flew aircrafts and did ground school in 1976. I've done command and staff course at South African Air Force, Staff College, Pretoria, South Africa. When Malawi bought or were given Dakota aircrafts, I did Dakota aircraft type conversion at Fort 4 Squadron, Pretoria, South Africa. I was attached to a squadron. My FAA commercial pilot, for your interest, is number 002356763. I got my commission on 12th January 1977 as a lieutenant or lieutenant in the Malawi Army. I did staff training at Fuxing Kang College, Taipei, Taiwan, 20 August 1994. Flight instructor number, this is FA. You find it's the same number that appears earlier, or that I've mentioned earlier.